Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free audiobooks through trial offers from various audiobook services, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your listening experience without immediate commitment. Step 1. Research major audiobook platforms, including Audible, Libro.fm, Scribd, and Audiobooks.com to compare their trial offers, noting trial duration and how many books you can access. Step 2. Check if your local library offers digital audiobook services through apps like Libby or Overdrive, which provide unlimited free access without requiring trial subscriptions. Step 3. Visit the audiobook services website and look for their trial offer, which is typically prominently displayed on their homepage or pricing page. Step 4. Sign up for the free trial by creating an account and providing payment information, understanding you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Step 5. Download the service's mobile app immediately after signing up to browse their catalog and start listening to audiobooks across your devices. Step 6. Choose your first audiobook carefully if the trial limits selections, prioritizing longer books or series to maximize the value of your trial period. Step 7. Explore the service's features, including playback speed adjustment, bookmarks, sleep timers, and offline downloading to determine if the platform suits your listening preferences. Step 8. Set a reminder for a few days before your trial ends to evaluate whether the service is worth the subscription cost or if you should cancel before being charged. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.